Good morning and welcome to the Minor Basilica, Our Lady of Rosary of Manaoag. Mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, malinaw na malinaw yung sinabi ni Lord in the Gospel. I call you friend. Ibig sabihin, kayo, you and I, we are the friends of the Lord. Bakit we become the friends of the Lord? Isang lang yung foundation. Isang lang yung dahilan. Because the Lord is love us. Yung mahal niyang Diyos sa atin, simula day 1 until the end, never binabawas. 100% bigay niya sa akin. Alam ni Lord, sometime we fail. Alam ni Lord, sometime we are fall to the sin. But He always love us. Never na never si Lord iwan sa buhay natin. That's why it's good when we have a friendship with the Lord. It's good if we make a friend with the Lord. Meron na tayo takbuhan. Meron na tayong isang tao, we can tell everything sa difficulty in our life. Sa buhay natin minsan, we are very happy also if we have someone, friend, to walk with us, to talk with us. Pero, yung friends natin sa buhay, minsan, we feel betrayal. We feel those friends not sincere to us. But if we make a friendship with the Lord, He never iniwan sa atin. Mga kapatid, yung love ni the Lord sa atin buhay, always remain. Kahit sabi ko kanina, kahit ano nangyari sa buhay natin, yesterday, today, tomorrow, His love never changes. Minsan tayo nga yung tumakbo sa Kanya. Minsan tayo nga yung run from Him. But He remains still there, waiting for us to return, to talk again with us. Today also, my batch, 5 of us, Father Ayan, Father Sid, Father Wilhelm, Brother Mark, and myself, celebrating 10 years profession anniversary. 10 years ago, 5 of us promised to be obedient to the order in the same church. As I look again back to my journey in 10 years, bakit nga ako dito? Is only one answer. Is love of God. Because I feel the Lord loved me so much. And I also falling in love with the Lord. Second, why I remain? Because of the mercy of the Lord and mercy of the community. Without their mercy, wala si Elson dito. Wala kami 5 sa order. The Lord and the community very merciful. The Lord and the community always accompanying us in our journey. So as I celebrate my anniversary and we celebrate this Mass today, we always remember in our mind how to be joyful and happy if we have a friend with the Lord. Remain in His love. Remain in His beautiful love in us because He also remain with us. Amen. Please stand. Christ calls us His friends and commands us to love one another. Let us show that love by the sincere of our prayers. For every petition we shall say, Lord, let us remain in you.
Lord, let us remain in you.